The KwikTic Agent interface enables us to set up multiple agents that can collect data from a range of sources. Regardless of the type of equipment, from custom and specialty to established industry standards, the standard KwikTic API allows connection to virtually anything with minimal effort. Once configured, the agent runs continuously as a service in the background, requiring no further operator interaction. In this example, we have an agent running to process files output from a machine that's on our factory floor. We select the folder where the data will be delivered by other equipment, and the agent watches that folder, waiting for information it can use to process serial numbers or batches. If we review our current batch, we can see that all 5 serial numbers have been through the assembly process. This product will now be tested with a piece of equipment that is connected to KwikTic through the agent. 2 files, each their own specific test run, have been placed in our watch folder. KwikTic checks at a specific time interval for new files. Once it processes the files, the agent has a choice of options. It can rename the file where it is, move it to a different directory, or delete it altogether. Here, the agent changes the file extension. This prevents KwikTic from processing this file again. If we check the current batch now, we can see that 2 of the serial numbers have been processed. When the 3 remaining test files appear in our destination folder, the agent processes them and converts them to done files, so we know that the data is now in KwikTic. Checking the batch to confirm, yes, all 5 serial numbers have been processed. If we review a serial number report from this batch, we can see all the information provided by the test step. We can record the station name, the operator, how long the step took, as well as any tags. Tags can be any piece of information you want recorded against a process for a serial number or batch. In this instance, we are using tags to store the fixture and test bed used for this test process. Other information, such as test results, values, defects, repairs, timings, traceable material, anything really, could also be recorded. The KwikTic API has been designed to handle virtually all possible production records. The KwikTic agent is a powerful tool to connect your entire factory floor.